I'm Pooja Paliwal. I'm a twin mom and I delivered my twins 8 months back. After delivery, I started having a lot of health issues like extreme back pain, knee pain, joint pain. I was feeling very low on energy and I was putting a lot of weight. And I wanted to work on all these health issues. That's when I got to know about Dr. Shweta, my yoga wife. And I have been practicing yoga with her for the past 4 months now. And I'm a student of Postpartum Health Program. And I can honestly say that it's been a wonderful experience so far. The first thing that really impressed me about her is that how knowledgeable she is. She has an excellent understanding of yoga. Actually, while teaching asana, she explains us why we are doing that particular asana, what is the purpose behind that, and how it is going to benefit our body. So she has a deep understanding about yoga. And secondly, there are only 5 or 6 students in her each batch, so she is able to pay individual personal attention to each student. She carefully observes us, her every student, and corrects our posture. She makes sure that we are doing each asana safely and effectively. Another thing that I really appreciate about her is that she genuinely values our feedbacks. After every class, she used to ask us how we felt, if we have any concerns or not. And then she actually incorporates those feedbacks into her upcoming sessions. So every class is thoughtfully planned with a specific goal in mind. And I love the fact that she has only 5 or 6 students, and so personal attention is there. And secondly, she has a separate program for different target groups. And so every practice is very truly tailored to individual needs. And she motivates you, encourages you to push your limits, to get out of your comfort zone. And at the same time, she makes you realize that we should always listen to our body and should never force anything. So that balance has really helped me grow. Over the past 4 months, I have become much more stronger, much more healthier, much more confident with my practice, and I can see significant improvement in my health. The intensity of pain has significantly reduced. And one more thing I would like to add about her is that she really cares for her students a lot. Like when I told her about my health issues and I emphasized on losing weight, then she told me, ki, Pooja, at this point of time, I was just 4 months postpartum at that time. So she told me, ki, losing weight at this point of time would be very unhealthy for you and your babies. So your focus should be on strengthening your core. Later on, we can move to weight loss program. So that really impressed me that she knows what is the right approach for her student, what should be done, when should be done. So she really cares for her students. And yeah, if anybody is looking for someone who really cares for students, and yeah, one more thing I would like to mention that though there are only 5 or 6 students in her each batch, but if I talk about my program, postpartum, so every student has its own postpartum stage. Somebody might be 5 months, 6 months, 9 months. So she modifies the asanas according to our stages. It's not like one solution fits all. One asana should be done by everyone. So she modifies the asanas so that we don't force on our body to do something which we shouldn't do. So yeah, that was really worth noticing about her, that she's putting that much of effort. And so everyone, whoever is looking for somebody who really cares for students and want to help you to achieve a better health via yoga, then I wholeheartedly recommend Dr. Shweta, my yoga wife. And I'm really grateful to be learning from her and really very much excited to continue this journey with her. Thank you so much, my yoga wife, and all the very best.